This is a quick, easy way to test and monitor class 1 whilst the VGA socket plug is in place. You can see our IEC cable here, plugged into the monitor, plugged into the plat tester machine here. The other end of the VGA cable, there's bond clip on the metal part, forming a circuit. Go over to our Prime Test 100, press the Class 1 test button, run the Class 1 test. We've got earth through the metal parts. It's running the full test and get a pass in the mode. And there you go, nice and easy. Another way of doing the same test